In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can enable vibration while your phone is ringing on Samsung. The vibration feature on phones is essential for notifying users of incoming calls or messages in silent environments, providing accessibility for those with hearing impairments. Discrete alerts in inappropriate settings, ensuring awareness in emergencies or noisy environments, and allowing for personalized notification patterns. Simply head into your phone settings. On the settings page, tap on the second option of sounds and vibrations. On this page, make sure to enable this option of vibrate while ringing. When turned on, your phone will always vibrate whenever you receive an incoming call, message, or any other notification on your phone. That's how easy it is to turn on vibration while your phone is ringing on Samsung phones. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.